Hi guys, you're welcome to Vlogmas.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.
So guys, what is this holiday season without good food? Today I'll be showing you how to prepare another delicious recipe, egg and plantain frittata. So guys, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. Let me get your comments in the comment section. Have you tried this before? What do you think about the recipe? As usual, a list of all the ingredients and quantities will be in the description. So guys, let's start cooking. So firstly, you want to cut up your plantains. When doing this, you don't want it to be too thin. If not, it's going to sink into your filling. Next, you salt it and then you fry. You fry till it's brown and then you take it off the fire. So next is our protein. I'm using chicken breast for this, already deboned and the skin. You can use sausages or any protein of your choice. So firstly, I'm going to salt this. I'm going to add in seasoning cubes. I'm going to also add in some pepper and give this a nice mix together. So next, I'm going to oil my pan and add in the chicken breast so this can fry. Chicken breast takes about 2 to 3 minutes to cook completely, so you don't need to worry about boiling it before you fry. Keep flipping the sides until this is slightly brown and then you can take it off the fire. So next to our filling, I'm going to add in some onions into the pan. Please, you need minimal oil for this, so you have to be careful. I'm just going to saute this for a while, then I'm going to add in my garlic cloves already crushed. I'll just give this a quick mix together, allow it to fry for a bit, and then I'm going to add in my scotch bonnet pepper. Please, you have to do this on low heat so your food doesn't burn. So I'm also going to add in my diced tomatoes already. Give this a very nice mix together and allow it to fry. So next, I'm going to add in some curry powder, a bit of thyme. I'm going to add in some pepper also for extra heat. I'll add in some salt, seasoning cubes, and just mix this together. So this has been frying for a bit, and now I'm going to introduce my chicken breast. I'm going to give this a mix together, allow it to combine properly, and then I'm going to add in my bell peppers. So guys, please note you don't want to fry your vegetables for too long, so you can just leave it for about a minute and then you can take it down. So now our filling is ready. We're on to the next stage. I'll just crack open about 8 eggs in a bowl. I'll give this a quick mix, add a sprinkle of salt and whisk again. And then I'm going to introduce my filling. And please, another quick tip before you do this, make sure your filling cools down properly so the heat doesn't make your egg boil. So next, you oil your pan so your filling doesn't burn, and if possible, use a non-stick pan. So you add in your filling, just make sure that this is even, and then you add in your plantains. This is sort of the step I love the most. Just do this in a circular manner, adding the plantains until it's covered. I'm just going to add in some bell peppers in the middle for that pop of color, and then I'm going to let this cook. And guys, another tip here, please, you have to cover this with a lid so it retains the heat, and you have to do this on very low heat. Like, this is so important so your food doesn't burn. All it takes is just 20 minutes and our meal is ready. Trust me, this egg and plantain frittata is very delicious, and I'm sure you want to try it out this holiday season. You will know when it's ready because the middle will be hard. So guys, please try this out and I'm sure you love it. And please, if you've not, give this video a thumbs up and let me get your feedback in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so when I upload a new video like this you get to see it. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.